From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, State College. Not too bad of a day out there today. Maybe a few showers out there, but overall, not too bad. Not like we saw on Saturday, where we saw pretty breezy and a few showers there. Today, though, this morning we're sitting at a high temperature of 54 degrees. That's actually what low is going to be tonight as well. So it's going to be pretty much copy and paste of what we saw this morning. It feels like 54 as well, and that's because the wind is pretty calm. No wind chill at all. In fact, I pretty much don't have to worry about that until we get into next winter. Temperatures over the next 12 hours for today, though, we're topping around 68 degrees, maybe 70 before slowly dropping down into the mid-50s and around 53, 54 degrees free and low this evening. Satellite radar, though, we do have a few showers across the northern tier of Pennsylvania and across the lake shore, but that's all because of this area of low pressure here spinning off the upper Great Plains, with that warm front helping to drive that warm air from the south. We got a cold front down towards the west, though, that brought a few severe weather, thunderstorms and severe weather yesterday across the portions of the Midwestern states. It was mostly a damaging wind threat, but we're not seeing any of that at all pretty much for the rest of this week. Temperatures this morning, though, 54 in State College, 55 in Franklin, and Pittsburgh being the warm spot, setting a temperature of 63 degrees. And that's actually a bit warmer the farther west you go out across Pennsylvania. The farther east you go, though, we're a little bit cooler, setting a temperature of 10 degrees cooler in Harrisburg and 16 degrees cooler in Philadelphia this morning. But they will slowly warm up, and it'll be about maybe a little cool where we were this time yesterday. Wind speeds, though, it is quite breezy out there, not in State College, but the farther west you go. In Du Bois and Erie, setting a wind speed of 13 to 24 miles an hour. Erie is still breezy, though, and if we top that with a wind gust, Erie is gusting to 44 miles an hour, Franklin at 25, and Johnstown gusting to 22 miles an hour. So it is a bit breezy if you are in the western tier of the state today. But as we time out the next few hours with our future satellite radar, we'll just see mostly cloudy skies with, again, a few scattered showers like I mentioned. But otherwise, so tonight, we'll just see a few scattered showers and then mostly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, we'll see those clouds diminish and Mr. Sun will be out for quite a bit of period of time. And as we time out the rest of this week, we'll see Mr. Sun out for most of the week until we get to Friday and Saturday. We'll watch our next system where I'm bringing in a chance for some showers, especially on Saturday. So not looking too great for the blue and white game. But overall, though, temperatures will be quite warm. So at least we got that and set, right? At least it's not cold and rainy. And then as far as the temperature department or precipitation for the next week, we're seeing about around average in terms of precipitation, above average the farther west you go across the Great Plains and the western portion of the lower 48. Temperature-wise, though, pretty much everywhere is expected to be above average except the southwest and around California, Los Angeles, and Las Vegas, where they might be seeing some cooler conditions. But for tonight, we'll see a low of 53 degrees, some scattered showers, the south wind around 6 to 8 miles an hour. And then tomorrow, we'll see a high of 68 degrees, mostly sunny skies. A bit breezy out there, though, but not quite like we saw today. And then that 7-day forecast, you can see Mr. Sun out there for 3 days in a row, from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then watching shower chances on Friday and Saturday, and then Mr. Sun back out on Sunday, and then a few clouds rolling in on Monday as well. But temperatures, though, are pretty much above average until we get to next week, where they'll be around average.